Hold up.
Alright guys, hey, what's up? Me and my cat, new cat, loves, whoa. Alright, whatever. So it is 6 weeks old. It's like this really small cat, newborn kind of, 6 weeks, 7. What's it doing? Alright, whatever. I got some, oh god, it's doing things with my hand. I got some like cute like videos I got of it. Like, yeah, lot. Oh, wait, it'll give me a high five. Oh, did you see that? Alright, whatever. Hope you guys enjoy, and yeah.
We'll stand. We are shadows looming all around. We are drowning in conformity. We are losing this battle for our soul. And until
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. My cat's doing this thing because it misses its mom. Because his mom wouldn't leave him. I know, sad. Well, hope you guys did enjoy. And yeah, bye.